Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is stock number 714 2015 Freightliner Coronado. It's got what appears to be a 14-liter Detroit in the truck, approximately 500 horsepower, 10-speed Eaton Fuller. These were fleet maintained trucks. I've got approximately 4 of them. We just had this one, all the paint touched up on it. I'm sure it wouldn't take much to get a DOT inspection on the truck. It appears to have excellent rubber, good brakes. All the lights seem like they work. And we're just going to take it down the road real quick here. It's got a 10-speed Eaton Fuller. Got your interaxle diff, your air ride suspension lowering, cruise, jigs, 818 on the miles, power windows and locks. Really nice interior, double bunk cabinets, refrigerator. Driver's seat seems to be fairly new. CD player. It says it came prepped with the 12.7 Detroit. However, a glider, as you know, does not come with an engine from the factory. 266 on the wheelbase, 342 rear end ratio, 40,000 rears, 12,000 fronts. You've got about 48 pounds of oil pressure at idle. I did not see excessive blow-by on this engine. Clutch feels good. Currently at 150 degrees on the water temperature, and you're charging around 14 volts. This truck is exceptionally smooth. There's no vibration coming from the steering wheel, the tires, or anything of that nature. Looks like your cruise control does work, and jake brakes do work. Cold is the AC is really cold. I'm quite sure this truck would exceed 70 miles per hour based on 55 mile an hour in traffic. I can't go too much faster. Looks like it's been averaging 7 miles to the gallon. And guys, when I look at this motor, it appears to be a 14-liter with an ETR cooler that has been bypassed. I want to let y'all, make sure you're aware of that. Truck is Viper blue in color, and it is really a good looking truck. We took our time to have this truck professionally detailed and have all the paint touch up properly done on this truck. Try to do a quick turnaround right here. There's not another turnaround for about 5 miles. Truck has nice takeoff, a lot of get up and go. That's 10th gear right there. speed limiter is at 75 mile an hour. That should be plenty fast enough. I don't see any rips or tears in these seats. The dash is in excellent condition. And like I say, guys, we've got 3 more of these in stock, getting prepared and ready. And we can possibly get another 5 after that. Also, I have a couple of 13s and 15s from another fleet coming, Coronados that have 13 speeds. Thank you guys for watching. Catch us next time.